This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of ENDRA Life Sciences Inc. using an online broker. ENDRA is a medical imaging company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NDRA. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NDRA to find the company listing. Select the correct result to open the stock page for ENDRA Life Sciences Inc. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to get context about recent trading. Confirm the page shows ENDRA Life Sciences Inc. with the NDRA ticker to ensure it is the correct asset. To place an order, choose how much to invest, select an order type, and then review the details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order is executed, your NDRA position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description below.